Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a few things that I picked up at Iconic London. And thank you to Nikki Bella for talking about this brand. I've seen it before and I've seen a lot of people talk about it, but I was kind of like, oh, I don't know. But when she demonstrated the Illuminator, the liquid highlighter, which is called the Illuminator, I was like, I have to have it. They did have a bundle on their website. For $50, you get the Illuminator, which is normally $41, and you also get with the bundle the Prep Set and Glow Spray, which is normally $31. You get everything for $50, which I thought was great, outstanding. Then to get free shipping, I had to get something else because I went just scourging for a coupon code and I found one and I got 15% off and I was like, holy crap. So then that took my total down, so I had to get something else to get free shipping, which I'm really happy that I saw this. And this is their strobing stick. And then I also got a free little item here, and it is their chrome flash eye pot. So let's go through everything. I'm so freaking excited. So this is the Illuminator that I feel like everyone talks about. And when I saw Nikki Bella talk about it, I didn't buy it right away. I waited a few weeks and I was like, you know what? I'm still thinking about that product and I really want to get it. I did go on Ulta, but they didn't have a sale. So I was like, whatever, I'm just going to order from the, straight website. So this is what the bottle looks like. Now I do have to say, I don't think I would pay $41 for this, but with the bundle and the deal I got, I feel like I feel like it's a pretty good deal because you only get 0.45 fluid ounces. You don't even get a half an ounce, and definitely not a full 1 ounce like a foundation. But I feel like you only are gonna need, a very little bit. So again, I got the color in Shine. A lot of people get the original color, which I was just not sure if that was going to be too dark for me. And I feel like since this was coming all the way from London, I wanted to make sure to get something that was definitely going to work. But I don't know. I feel like if I get a little bit more tan for the summer, I feel like it would totally work for me. I just couldn't figure out if it was like a really, really warm gold, or if it was more of a champagne gold. If you have it or definitely let me know below. So it comes into like a dropper, and I'm gonna swatch this because you only need a little bit. I don't even push the dropper. It looks like that. And oh my God, look how pretty that is. So pretty. And you can really, really rub it in, or you can, if you want a little bit more, just make it, if you want it to pop, you can just add a little bit more. But look how pretty that is. I feel like this will look really good in like your legs, your décolleté chest area, arms, like mixed in with your moisturizer. Like, I just feel like this is just going to be a great all around product. So that color is in Shine. Super, super pretty. Let me just add a little bit more on so you can see, maybe have it a little bit more built up. So I just added a little bit more on. Oh my God. That is just so, so pretty. And when I saw Nikki apply it, I was like, oh my God, I have to have this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So you can definitely go light, you can go bold, whatever you want. So I'm really, really excited. I actually haven't used this yet. I totally forgot to do it today. After I was done all of my makeup, I was like, no, I totally forgot. So anyway, like I can't wait. I feel like I'm just gonna totally, totally love that. And then you get the spray, and I haven't used it yet. So this is kind of more of a haul versus a review, but this is what the spray looks like. And this is the original color. So you can see like the original isn't like as pink. It's more on a golden side, but I couldn't make up my mind. And when I did order this bundle, I was able to choose what illuminator I wanted, but it default came with the original, which I'm fine with. I feel like for my face, let me just spray it and see. I don't know. Oh my God, it smells so, it smells so good. I don't know, do I look a little bit, I feel like I look a little bit more luminous. Ooh, I did try the, I love makeup. I did try the Tatcha Luminous Spray. Oh my God, that thing made me look like a glitter ball. I was like, holy crap, I had to return that. But this is way better for the price. Tatcha is a little bit more expensive, but oh my God, and it smells so much better. The Tatcha one stunk. It's like, ugh. But oh my God, yeah, I feel like I can see a difference. Oh, and it feels so refreshing. Okay, that's exciting. Then, so I got the bundle. Then I found a 15% off code online. So then it brought my total down too low to get free shipping. So I was like, okay, let me just get something else. Then they had these sticks. They're called their Strobing sticks, and they were 50 off. So they were only $18. Plus I would get the extra 15 off on top of it. And this is in the color Shine. So the same color as the Illuminator, which is this color here. So I'm going to put this on my other hand so that way we can see if there is a difference. I don't really think so, but this is like weird to use my left hand. But I thought that this stick would be great to use on the go. Like if you're traveling, I probably wouldn't bring a liquid. And I feel like this would be good because you can use it, just rub it on, put it under the brow bone, put it on your lids. Like I just feel like this would be a great just on the go product. So this is it here. That was just from me swiping it. I haven't rubbed it in yet. But it's just so pretty. So it definitely looks like the same exact shade. But yeah, I feel like if you want more of a bolder look, and maybe use this stick, but I just feel like it does have more of a creamy texture versus a liquid. I feel like the liquid might blend just a little bit better, maybe like on the face. Like I feel like I probably would use this like maybe on the eyes, you know, brow bone type of thing, maybe a little bit more. But I don't know. It's just all really pretty. Let me build that one up again. Oh, I'm just so excited. I don't know. Eyeshadow used to be my favorite, and blush. I think highlighter is my favorite when it comes to makeup. So that's it there again. So you can just build that up. So, oh my gosh, guys, it definitely is the same color. So they're both in the color Shine, which I don't mind. Again, I didn't want to get the original just in case, because I'm like, how am I supposed to mail all this? I'm not going to mail something all the way back to London. It's a little ridiculous. But yeah, I kind of want to get the original now in this guy here. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. This didn't come in a box, which it was just like thrown in the box. I don't know what happened there. But it was fine. The pack, like nothing was used or damaged or anything. It just didn't have a box. So I don't know what was up with that. Then I got this for free. So it was great because I got the bundle pricing, you know, those 2 items for $50. Then I got this 50% off. I got 15% off free shipping, and I got this for free. I'm a deal hunter, and I thought it was a good deal. So, so this is called the Chrome Flash iPod in Mystic. You didn't get to choose your color or anything, which is fine. It comes in a little thing like this. I haven't even used this yet or swatched it. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it's like a creamy goodness. Ooh, I'm just gonna take some that's up on this paper thin. Is here and just ooh, okay, all right, let's see. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my God, wow. So it's just kind of like a cream moussey like eyeshadow, very smooth. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Wow. And I still have some on my other like finger here. I'm just gonna wipe that. But oh my gosh, really nice color. It really is. Kind of just a nice like everyday shade. Wow, really like that. Wow. All right, I'm so excited. Okay. It's kind of like a little first impressions here today, because I haven't worn any of this, and I swatched everything, and yeah, this, I can definitely see a little bit more luminosity in my face, even though I did have highlighter on, but I feel like it definitely accentuates the highlighter even more. But oh, it smelled so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, tomorrow I'm using those products. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Definitely let me know if you've tried any of the iconic London products. The only things like I'm thinking of wanting from them, I really want to try their 6-pan highlight palette. That's pressed highlighter, you know, powder. I do want to get the original in this guy, and I think that might be it so far. They do have like a really large, I think, eyeshadow palette, but other than those 2 things, I really can't think of anything. They kind of have like a smaller condensed line, which is fine. I mean, to me, I'd rather have like a small line, but everything's really great, you know? But definitely let me know if you've tried anything from the iconic London, because I am so excited to try these products. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.